Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. The stolen motorcycle sped away as soon as it spotted the police. The daring suspect leaped over curbs, weaved through narrow alleyways, and took sharp turns to evade pursuit, creating a thrilling chase through the night. At a fateful turn, the motorcycle lost control and crashed in front of the police barricade. Though the suspect managed to escape, justice prevailed as the vehicle was recovered and returned to its rightful owner. Between the congested lanes, the motorbike tore through like a whirlwind, ignoring the police and all danger, each swerve a bold declaration. He suddenly veered into a winding alley, abandoned the motorcycle, and disappeared into the crowd. Despite the police's efforts to track him down, he managed to escape, leaving the vehicle seized at the scene. The city was in turmoil as the car swerved dangerously, narrowly avoiding accidents. The suspect accelerated recklessly, ignoring all safety rules, pushing the situation to a breaking point. Under police pressure, the car lost control and crashed hard into the curb. The two suspects immediately jumped out, scattering in opposite directions to divert the officers' attention. Even while hiding in the shadows, the two suspects couldn't evade the police. Their boldness came at a price. There's no place to hide from justice. These two individuals are not only fleeing but also provoking the police. It seems like they are actually enjoying this chase. After such a long run, they still had to surrender. Even their family and pets seemed to be their last hope. The family rescue team surely can't overlook this. The police received reports of motorcycles without license plates moving recklessly on the streets of Costa Rica, including a motocross bike. The motorcyclist sped against traffic at high speed, disregarding all dangers and risking everything to escape the relentless pursuit of the police. painful and helpless ending for the motorcyclist as the police closed in and made an immediate arrest. With two bare heads and speeding away at full throttle, how long do you think it will take for the police to catch them? With two bare heads and speeding away at full throttle, how long do you think it will take for the police to catch them? With high speed and dangerous maneuvers, the motorcyclist is doing everything to evade the police chase despite the looming danger. The sudden U-turn seemed to challenge the police's pursuit. Each bold turn only made the pressure from behind more intense. Unfortunately, the suspect's motorcycle broke down, forcing the police to stop and end the intense pursuit to ensure safety. The bold suspect tried every means to escape, intentionally attacking police and ramming into their vehicle when cornered in a dead end. The intense collision further escalated the tension and danger. Fate was sealed when he lost control at a curve, crashed into the steps, and suffered severe injuries. The daring escape ended in bitter failure. A chaotic pursuit unfolded as the suspect zigzagged through the back alleys on a motorcycle, desperately trying to lose his pursuers. The relentless pursuit by the police left the suspect with no way out, forcing them to stop. Their futile excuses only highlighted the bitter failure of their escape attempt.